No.
Okay, happy birthday again.
Surbi Didi.
Very happy and
Turns out the day.
Happy birthday. Happy birthday.
Happy birthday, lots of
Happy birthday.
Happy birthday, sweetie.
दे मेरी प्यारी चंदू
many
Happy birthday.
Surbi.
Happy birthday!
birthday, Dinu, my sweetheart. I love you lots, and I wish you all the success, all the happiness, smooth ride in your life. And I really want to thank your fans also. They are your great support, and they love you unconditionally. And I'm really grateful to them. Wish you a very, 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 very happy birthday and all the happiness. Thank you.
Happy birthday, Jinnu, my darling, my baby, my sweetheart. I pray Almighty that you sparkle and shine like a star like you are. I always pray that you get higher and higher success in your future endeavor.
Chubby little girl, let me start by wishing you a very, very, very happy birthday. And now I'll go in your style. Thank you so much for being the sweetest person that you are. We love you, I love you, and hope to meet you soon. And I'm due for a party, by the way. And we are due for meeting. Let's meet soon, and keep smiling and keep being the lovely chirpy self that you are. Love you.
Hi Surbi, it's me. I was trying to think of something really epic to say to mark the fact that you're turning another year older, and really the best thing that I can say is that I think you're really, really, really amazing. And it's not just because you're an amazing actress, it's because you've just inspired so many people, and I love how you're becoming a trailblazer for a new generation. Keep doing what you're doing, and stay blessed, and looking forward to seeing you soon. Lots of love, happy birthday, and I'm gonna go and now eat something really, really unhealthy to celebrate.
Happy birthday, my gorgeous Surbi. How you doing? I just want to say happy birthday to you. You probably recognize the studio where you were sitting on the other side a few months ago. It feels like such a age ago. But I just want to say happy birthday. Lots of love from me, Raj Badin, and of course everyone from this side of the pond, from the UK. Have yourself a good one. Love you loads, as ever, as the Nagin that you are. Shh, gotta be careful. But yeah, all the best, right? Love ya. Happy birthday.
Happy birthday मेरी प्यारी चंदू. You see this effect? This is Nagin effect. May God bless you मेरी जान. जितना टाइम मेरे को दिया गया है ना, उतने टाइम बोल सकती मैं क्या क्या सोचती हूँ तेरे बारे में, और तू कितनी खास है मेरे लिए. But may God bless you. You are a special child, and keep rocking as Nagin, and ऐसे ही healthy रहे, प्यार करती रहे. We love you so much, and I miss the party times, and I wish हम लोग साथ होते, but soon, very soon.
Hi Surbi. Many happy returns of the day. I am missing you. I'm missing everybody, but I'm missing your craziness a lot. I know तुम मजे कर रही हो, बहुत अच्छे से शूट हो रहा है तुम्हारा, और बहुत बहुत सुंदर लग रही हो. मतलब नागिन डांस from my messy bedroom out here. So I'm missing you, and I wish you all the very best for the Nagin show. Of course, you're killing it. You're killing it like, matlab, speechless. And I wish you all the best, and wish you all the best for the future. All my love, always with you. And अभी तो वहाँ आके भी hug नहीं दे सकती, तो a tight virtual hug from my side. And uncle auntie को भी नमस्ते. Bye bye. Enjoy your birthday. Miss you.
Hi Surbi, many happy returns of the day, Rockstar. I'm waiting to celebrate with you in person. I'm sure very soon. But you have a wonderful year ahead. I'm sure Nagin will be a super hit. So keep rocking, and Stay blessed.
बारी बारी दिन ये गाए तुम जियो हजारों साल ये मेरी है आरज़ू हैप्पी बर्थडे टू यू हैप्पी बर्थडे टू यू हैप्पी बर्थडे मेरी जासूर भी हैप्पी बर्थडे टू यू हैप्पी बर्थडे गर्ल may you have all the happiness in the world. I love you so much. May you be shining like the bright star that you are always. Lots of love, happiness, and fabulous health. Happy birthday!
Hey Snake, how are you? Finally, you turned 60, the big number. 16. That's what I was thinking, you know. Yeah. But I just want to wish you a very. Please don't sting anybody. Had I known Sanjeevani was a breeding ground of snakes or Nagins, past Nagins and upcoming Nagins, I would have spent more time there. It's not about me. It's your day. Go, enjoy, have fun. Cake खा ले थोड़ा यहाँ पर भी भेज ले please. You know how much I like sweets. Please send, no please. Bye. Okay, happy birthday again. I'll call you later.
Happy birthday सुरभि. बहुत लोग नहीं जानते पर मैं और सुरभि मिले थे संजीवनी के प्रिंट शूट में. दैट्स द फर्स्ट टाइम आई मेट हर एंड मुझे लगा यार इस लड़की में बहुत एटीट्यूड है. बट शूट के दौरान शी प्रूव मी so wrong. Not only she is a powerhouse performer, but she is a very genuine and sensible person as well. She बहुत बात करती है, but she is the cutie of the group. And all I want to say is that all the very best for the future and for Nagin, जिसके लिए मैं बहुत मजाक उड़ाऊंगा बाद में. अभी I can't do it. And I hope that we all meet together again just like old times and have fun. And we'll meet you soon. Okay? Happy birthday. God bless you.
और चांदना साहब क्या हालचाल. हैप्पी बर्थडे टू यू. और तुम्हारे नए शो के लिए तुम्हें मुबारकबाद. और अपने नागिन की तरह रहना, किसी को डसना मत, ठीक है. चलो, गॉड ब्लेस यू, टेक केयर, बाय.
Surprise! Hey Surbi, wish you a very happy and a very safe birthday. Stay beautiful as always. Much love to you, and I hope to see you very soon. और साथ में मिलके celebrate करेंगे. Yeah, you have a great day, and your new show is doing great. Congratulations, and love you, and I'll see you very soon. Have fun.
Hey Surbi! Happy birthday. May this birthday bring you lots of love, lots of success and lots of happiness. Always looking forward to working with you and partying with you. Mwah, mwah, mwah. Lots of love. Bye.
Happy birthday. Happy birthday. Happy birthday. Happy birthday. Happy. ये कौन सा नया तरीका है बर्थडे विश करने का? एक्चुअली आज का बर्थडे है, यानी कि टीवी की सबसे हैपनिंग नागिन सुरभि चांदना, who's a dear friend. Surabhi, happy birthday. You're doing a wonderful job. You look pretty as always, and keep rocking, keep looking beautiful, keep entertaining us, and see you soon. Loads of love, Surabhi. Happy birthday.
क्या बताओ मैं सुरभि के बारे में. सो सुरभि इज समबडी हु आई हैव नोन फॉर अ वेरी ब्रीफ टाइम. लाइक मैं उसको मई के महीने से जानता हूँ. एंड इमेजिन इन these few months I think we've shared a warm bond, and I love her because she is honest, she is spunky, she is unabashedly unapologetic, just the way I like it and I am. And बहुत अच्छी इंसान है. And yeah, अभी तो नागिन कर रही है. और I wish her all the best, and I hope and pray that this lockdown is over soon and I come back to Bombay, and you, me, Bhavna and your sister and auntie, we party soon. आंटी के हाथ का खाना मुझे खाना है. वो मेरे नसीब में नहीं आया अभी तक, but आ जाएगा. But till then, you enjoy your birthday. Happy birthday, lots of love and a big virtual hug to you.
Hi SC, how are you? Wishing you a very happy birthday. You know I always wish the best for you. I think you're one of the loveliest person I've met in the industry. you're one of the most real people I have met in the industry, which is usually filled with diplomacy and of course fakeness. But I don't know how you manage to be this real person, but that is your biggest strength, believe it or not. We discuss movies, we gossip a lot in fact, and I think I can take the liberty of calling you a friend and not just a journalist and our celebrity relationship. And you know I always wish the best for you, and I'm loving you in whatever you do, and constantly I will keep supporting.
Hi Surbhi, many many happy returns of the day. आप बहुत अच्छा कर रहे हो शो में, शो बहुत अच्छा जा रहा है. I wish you all the great success and happiness in your life, and you know that I love you. जल्दी मिलते हैं सेट पे.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you. Happy birthday Surbhi Didi. Lots of love and keep smiling, and I love you. Love you and happy birthday. Enjoy your day.
Hey Surbhi, wish you a very very happy birthday from me and entire Red FM. Be the fatakri you are always. मतलब you have that power. जब किसी का dull day हो and if the person is not feeling energized और उसको लग रहा है there's something missing in life, बस तुम्हें देखने की ज़रूरत है, तुम्हारे वीडियोस को देखने की ज़रूरत है, तुमसे बात करने की ज़रूरत है, and you'll be up in like seconds. You'll start rolling like how. And I'm sure you know this about yourself. So I totally love you. I adore your work, your energy, everything. Chak the fatte. Wish you a very happy birthday, and can't wait to things get normal and see you in the studios with entire Dhol Dhamaka as props. Mwah! Lots of love. Bye bye. Happy birthday.
Wish you a very 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 happy birthday Surbhi. You're my favorite, you know it. और मैं हर एपिसोड देखती हूँ नागिन का. You're looking the best. और तुम्हारी सबसे अच्छी क्वालिटी है that you're very down to earth and very positive. उसे हमेशा बनाए रखना. And I love you. You're my first and last favorite actor on television. I love you. Enjoy your birthday.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to Surbhi. Happy birthday to you. My sis, happy birthday all the way from London. Can't wait to see you. See you soon. Have a super birthday. Love you loads.
It's been long, tere been sune pardesi nagin gin. Sorry for not singing. Just wanted to wish you a very happy birthday, Surbhi. It's wonderful to see you in Nagin 5, and I'm
happy
super
birthday, Surbhi. I hope you're having a great day, and I hope to see you very very soon. Till then, keep spreading the love and positivity.
Hi Surbhi, wish you a very very happy birthday. My hot Pilates is good. Looking forward to see you soon in the studios. Have a great year ahead.